Hello everyone, welcome back to English Story World. Today, we are going to learn English through a beautiful and inspiring story. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to understand the meaning. This method will help you improve your English speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Daniel. He lived in a small village with his mother. His father had passed away when he was very young. His mother worked very hard every day to earn enough money for food. Daniel wanted to study, but life was difficult. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise. He helped his mother clean the house, fetched water from the well, and then walked 5 kilometers to school. Many children laughed at him because his clothes were old and torn. Some students even refused to sit beside him. Daniel felt sad, but he never argued with anyone. He always smiled and continued studying. His favorite teacher often said, "Your clothes do not decide your future. Your hard work does." Daniel believed these words with all his heart. After school, he worked at a small tea shop for a few hours. The shop owner was kind and allowed him to study during quiet times. One evening, while cleaning the shop, Daniel found a wallet on the floor. Inside the wallet, there was a large amount of money and some important documents. For a moment, Daniel thought, if I keep this money, I can buy books, clothes, and food for my mother. But then he remembered his mother's advice. She always said honesty is more valuable than money. Daniel asked everyone in the shop if they had lost a wallet. Finally, an old man came running and said, "My wallet? I was searching everywhere." Daniel returned the wallet without taking anything. The old man opened the wallet and checked everything. Nothing was missing. He looked at Daniel with tears in his eyes. "My son," he said, "very few people are this honest." The old man was the owner of a large company. He asked Daniel about his life. Daniel told him everything honestly. The man was deeply touched. He decided to pay for Daniel's education. From that day, Daniel studied harder than ever before. Years passed. He completed school with excellent marks. Then he went to college and later became an engineer. His first salary was not spent on expensive things. Instead, he bought a comfortable chair for his mother because she always sat on the floor after a long day of work. His mother smiled proudly. Daniel never forgot where he came from. Later, he built a free library in his village so that poor children could read books without paying any money. People from nearby villages also came to study there. One day, a young boy asked Daniel, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" Daniel smiled and replied, "The secret is simple. Never give up, always be honest. Respect your parents. Keep learning every day. Success may come slowly, but it always comes to those who never stop trying." Success is not about being rich from the beginning. Success comes to people who are honest, hardworking, patient, and kind. Never lose hope because your present situation does not decide your future. Thank you for watching English Story World. If you enjoyed this English story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Story World. Keep learning English every day, and I'll see you in the next story.